So in today's episode, we are going to be making a cute little play area for Kira.
Mommy.
I know you want mommy. Can you say hi? I guess not. So as we start the disassembly, I'd like to point out that the entire reason that we are changing up the living room for a play area for Kira is to attempt, for one, to keep her toys into a specific area because, well, this 2-year-old can be a mess, to say the least. Also, we're hoping that this will make the best of the small space that we have to keep it clean as well as look better, well maintained, and have a space that Kira can call her own to play in. At least that's the hope. So follow along as you see us tearing what we have apart, cleaning things up a bit, and putting together a space for her that hopefully turns out pretty nice. As well, I'd like to mention that the final result, we did do a couple things differently. The carpet that we ordered was pretty cheap and plasticky, so we went ahead and changed that up with a more carpet-style felt green imitation carpet, as well as a pad liner underneath of it. Either way, it turned out pretty close to the same. It looks nice, is well structured, and Kira seems to love it. So enjoy the video and watch along. Maybe you can gather some ideas from what we do here and try it yourself. Thank you. Okay, Kira, do you like your little playpen? You do? Can you say it louder?
Maybe.
Maybe. Do you like your playpen?
Maybe.
Yes. Say yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. This is just our idea for an adaptation when you don't have a whole lot of room to work with and you want to keep her toys all in her own little corner, hopefully, then maybe this is an idea that you guys can use. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon for future videos, especially the Just for Kids episodes, where we build things basically for Kira and possibly ideas that you guys can use as well. Thank you very much. You guys have a good night. Kira, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.